Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to search Instagram posts by keywords. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open Instagram. Tap the search icon at the bottom. Now tap the search bar at the top. Type in the keyword or phrase you want to search for. When the search results appear, tap the keyword or phrase or a similar one that appears. This will bring you to a page with posts related to that keyword. And when you find what you're looking for, you can easily save a post by tapping the ribbon icon in the bottom right corner of the post. And that is how you can search Instagram posts by keyword. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.